Ukrainian hammer strikes on Russian positions in the Kherson region. A Ukrainian FPV drone with thermite burns a Russian bunker with infantry inside. The Legion's Inquisition and Baltic Group of the 59th Mechanized Brigade showcased how a Russian IFV was destroyed and set ablaze after a direct hit from a kamikaze drone. A Russian soldier complains his unit lacks food, water, radios, and thermal imaging cameras, making it impossible to hold positions where fierce fighting takes place daily. He blames a Russian governor who didn't fulfill his promises to provide for the unit. He doesn't ask himself why he went to the war in the first place or who started the war. If he gets the necessary provisions and equipment, he will happily continue killing Ukrainians.
I want to finish this video about the Kamchatka battalion soldiers who were sent to certain death, completely untrained, just sent to the slaughter. And here, 18-year-olds are dying, untrained, who have just joined this Kamchatka battalion. They were on the range for 4 days. They didn't even shoot because there were no bullets. Then all were just sent to the Kamchatka battalion from other regions, just sent to certain death. We were sent without anything. We have no food, no water, no supplies, no thermal vision devices, nothing. We're buying rations with our own money, clothing too, socks, warmth, everything we purchase with the money that should feed our families. We're buying batteries, rations, gear with that money. One thermal vision device costs 180,000. Can't manage with just one thermal vision device. We have families too, people to feed. We have no food. Supplies come in once a week. And it's really hard to get it, because there are attacks everywhere. Snipers around. There's artillery everywhere. Mortars are firing at us every single day. Every day, hundreds of shells, hundreds of them. Holding this front position is very hard. We're on the line. We're on the frontier. There are fights here every day. People are dying, people are untrained. There's no gear. At night you might as well gouge your eyes out. They're pros. They have all the gear, snipers. They have all the gear, thermal vision devices, drones. They can see us. They track us and hit us as best as they can. They capture us. Their sniper work is very good with thermal vision. At night we're just working by ear, by sound. We hold the position as best as we can. We don't give it up. But many of us are dying here. Soon we might start dying from hunger and cold. I'm addressing all the residents of Kamchatka and anyone thinking of joining the Kamchatka battalion. Don't fall for this provocation that everything is fully equipped here, that everything is ready. They gave us bulletproof vests, but not to everyone. And it's crap. A shot from an Archangel goes right through them. I'm on my third vest already. I want to convey a message to Solodov, because you lied to your people and those who joined our Kamchatka battalion. Half of the people from our Kamchatka battalion are gone already. Lots of people have died because there's no gear, no food, nothing. People didn't even show up at the training grounds. There was no training at all. You just put kids in the line of fire. Those who arrived and spent 2 days just in Oleisk were immediately thrown ahead. I don't know how you're going to atone for this, how you'll look the parents of those killed, kids who were 18 to 20 years old, in the eyes. I just don't understand you, Solodov. Why did you do this? You just set up Kamchatka and led the people to slaughter. I'll come back, and to everyone, those who are left alive will return, Solodov. And everyone will find out how you treated the people who signed that contract, trusting you to just provide for this Kamchatka battalion. We're dying here just from hunger, because we have neither water nor food. We have nothing. We can't get to the city, even to spend our small change, buy ourselves something, because we're constantly under fire. We can't be taken to the city. We can't be evacuated. No one to even relieve us. So, Solodov, big shout out from all the guys who are still alive.
Strike on a Russian 96L6 radar of the S-400 air defense system, with what appears to be a loitering munition, Belgorod region. Ukrainian tank of the Azov Brigade destroys 2 Russian BMPs in a close-range encounter. Destroying a Russian pontoon crossing in the Luhansk direction. Russia used it to supply reinforcements and ammunition. A rare footage of the U.S. made Ukrainian mobile 105mm howitzer 2CT Hawkeye at the firing range. I like its recoil mechanism.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.